big up move after the open on the NQ 5 minute. Here's the opening candle right here. We've taken no trades yet. I'm waiting for the first signal after the open. This could be it right here. This could be the first signal after the open on the 5 minute NQ. It's been up all morning since the open, which is right here. Opening candle.
Order filled.
Finally filled on something. Locking in. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you are into this sort of thing. I'm going to try to make 1,500 bucks this morning, and I'm almost there now.
Stop filled.
I try to move my stop. Okay, 1,000 bucks. First move of the day after the open. Try to move my stop back a little bit, not to get stopped out, but that didn't work. There's probably some more downside to this move. As it pulls back,
Order submitted.
now it is super risky to try to jump back in on a trade like this. It's better off waiting till the candle closes and if it breaks back through. But if it bounces, it could bounce a couple of times. Huge move down. I may wait to get in on the next candle. Here's a bounce off of the EMA
Order
here.
filled.
It gives me another opportunity to get back in, but I will lock in quickly.
Stop filled.
That wasn't very much. As it pulls back again,
Order submitted.
if you do this, you want to place it somewhere where price will come back through and pick up your order.
Order filled.
This is more risky, but it has more downside to go. I'm going to scalp it again quickly. Now this is really risky. I don't recommend doing it. I'm doing it because I'm trading today, so I'm telling you what I'm doing, but don't really recommend getting in multiple times. Almost not worth doing.
Stop filled.
All right, that's enough for this candle. If it breaks through the bottom, if it breaks through here, the signal candle, I'll get in again, but this is a very long candle. That may not happen. So now it's starting to get risky if I want to jump back in on this long candle. So let's just wait. All right, look how it's pulling back right off of the EMA here. That's huge. I'm not going to get back in. We'll just wait for another signal or another opportunity. It may very well come all the way back down here. See, if you look at the 1 minute, there was an opportunity to go back long.
Order submitted.
There could be a breakout here of the signal candle on the 1 minute. It's got to fight through
Order filled.
all of this.
Stop filled.
May have gotten out just a little too early there. The stop just a little bit too tight. There's probably going to be a little more upside to this move. I'm just not going to chase it now. That was such a long candle on the 5 minute. It's the 1 minute. And look at that. It did go higher. 5 minute looks like this. And here is a buy for the on the 5 minute would be up
Order
here
submitted.
at this green line. You saw these trades, a couple trades, this one twice, maybe 3 times, and then that 1 minute trade. Is it going to go any higher? Again, I don't like it. It's a large candle here. Is there much more to go if it does go higher? If we look at the 1 minute again, you'll see right where my buy would be. But there's a sell right here we could take. I already have my buy order here on the 5 minute. I'm not sure I'm going to take this sell on the 1 minute. Well, it looks like I would have gotten filled. It could be a winner. It could be profitable. But I think we're too close to the high here. Yeah, look at that. It's making money on the 1 minute over here. Let's check. It's making money over here. It's very close to these lines. Definitely profitable. I didn't take it. That's okay. Waiting for that buy. And here it is on the 1 minute. On the 5 minute, it would be up here a little bit higher. So we'll just wait. Trying to make about 1,500 bucks today and I'll be done. Okay, so on the 1 minute we can get in at a little better of a price here on its way back up. It's an inside candle. Then again, there is a sell at the breakout of this if that happens. So choice is yours. Where do you
Order
want to go?
filled.
All right, it did shoot up for a second. Let's just let it do its thing. I'm going to keep my stop right around here. Just leave it right here.
Stop filled.
All right, made a little money on that little buy up 1,400, and I'm going to quit while I'm ahead.